Hello and welcome to JB Movie Crafts. Let us learn Administrative Management by Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol was born on 29 July 1841 and died on 19 November 1925. He was a French mining engineer, mining executive, author and director of mines. He wrote two books, Industrial and General Administration, that is in 1930, and General and Industrial Management in 1949. Henry Fayol developed general theory of business administration, that is often called classical administrative theory or Fayolism. Classical administrative theory. Fayol's emphasis was on the development of managerial principles rather than the methods of operation. Fayol believed that with scientific focusing and proper methods of management, satisfactory results were inevitable. He gave 14 principles of management, administrative management. Let us learn them. First, division of work. Specialization allows the individual to build up experience and to continuously improve his skills and work. Thereby, productivity can be increased. 2. Authority. Authority is the right to issue commands along with which responsibility must go to balance the work. 3. Discipline. Employees must obey the rules. The management should also provide good leadership. 4. Unity of command. Each worker should have only one boss with no other conflicting lines of command. 5. Unity of direction. People engaged in the same kind of activities must have the same objectives in a single plan. This is required to ensure unity and coordination in the organization. 6. Subordination of individual interest. Management must see that the goals of the firms are always on top. Individual goals come afterwards. 7. Remuneration. Payment of remuneration is an important motivation to employees. 8. Centralization. This is a matter of degree depending on the condition of the business and the quality of its personnel. 9. Scalar chain. Scalar chain refers to the number of levels in the hierarchy from the ultimate authority to the lowest level in the organization. It should not be overstretched and consist of too many levels. 10. Order. Order is concerned with systematic arrangement of man, machine, material, etc. There should be a specific place for every employee in an organization. 11. Equity. All the employees in the organization must be treated equally with respect to the kindness and justice. 12. Stability of tenure of personnel. Employees work better if job security and career progress are assured to them. An insecure tenure and a high rate of employee turnover will affect the organization unfavorably. Allowing all personnel to show their initiative in some way is a source of strength for the organization. Employees who are allowed to originate and carry out plans will put forth high level of efforts. 14. Esprit de Corps. Promoting team spirit will construct harmony and unity within the organization. The harmony and unity will benefit the organization. Concept of management according to Fayol. Fayol's definition of management rules and actions propounded 5 elements which gave the concept of management by Henry Fayol. 1. Prevoyance, forecast and plan. Examining the future and drawing up a plan of action, the elements of strategy. 2. To organize. Build up the structure, both material and human, of the undertaking. 3. To command. Maintain the activity among the personnel. 4. To coordinate. Binding together, unifying and harmonizing all activity and effort. 5. To control. Seeing that everything occurs in conformity with established rule and expressed command. Application of Fayol's principles. Decision making is the application of Fayol's principles. He gave a system of decision making. He also said change and organization, that organization should be ready for the change which may come in the due course. Skills that can be used to improve the basic effectiveness of a manager. And understand that management can be seen as a variety of activities which can be listed and grouped. Criticisms. There are several criticisms even Henry Fayol's administrative theory faced. First, too formal. The theory seems too formal to many of the workers. 2. Vague. It does not define the culture, climate and different geographical conditions. 3. Inconsistency. Several times the theory becomes inconsistent with the environment. Bias towards management. Some may feel that the theory is biased towards the management and workers are ignored or several times opposed. 5. Historical values and others. At a particular point of time, the theory may be suitable, but each and every point of time, the theory may not be suitable, and there are several other criticisms too. Please share and subscribe. JB Movie Crafts. Thank you.